today is Thursday, end of November. I honestly don't know what day it is. Probably like the 20th, somewhere around there, maybe a little later than that. Anyhow, big cold front pushed in. We're finally getting cold. It's off here. Big northwest wind today. It is freezing temps everywhere north of us, and I've got an itch to get out in a duck boat, so we're gonna go out and try it. I don't have a lot of time today. Hopefully we'll get some footage for you guys. Hopes aren't super high it's gonna pan out, but it very well could. I just kind of want to be out there. We got some big stuff coming this weekend. Yeah, we'll see. It looks like my predictions are decently right with the migration happening. I've been seeing lots of birds pushing. They're way up high up there, just riding that jet stream down. So hopefully a good handful stop up around where we're hunting. But I'm sure quite a few of them are going to push right past us. This is way worse to get out to than I was hoping it was going to be, but we're out here and really hot, not having a good time. I can hear some birds in the distance, but I'm not sure where. Could be super high flying, who knows. Our hide, very mediocre, actually probably not good at all, but we'll see. Hopefully some new birds showed up. Worst case, we draft this as a scouting trip. We'll keep you guys in the loop. I need more shells. There we go. That's what's up. Sneak boat for the win. Alright guys, I think you're rolling. The mallards came right in. All of a sudden they were up there. I was talking to Jack. There's a big flock pushing south. Migration is on. These birds are definitely new. Somebody has a boat stashed back there. If it's your boat, be thankful it's still there, honestly. I'm gonna stop bringing my boat back here and start using yours. But yeah, came right in, circled right over top of me out here on the sneak boat, and this is nothing special. You know, I just got a ghillie blanket in here kind of covering me up. Circled me again. They landed a little bit farther to the right than I want them to, but that's fine. We're making do. We have one nice mallard right here. Look at that. Throw him in here and get back. Came right in, thought about shooting. Shooting wasn't quite in the cards. Let him loop around. Took a couple really bad shots on my end. Winged this one and he just kept coming in. Dug around for more shells, so I didn't have any ready to go. And smoked him. So we'll take that as a win. I'm gonna move this mojo over a little bit more. Hopefully it'll square up better for me quick. And get back in the hole and see how many more of these we can lay down. Oh, that one got away. Alright guys, you might want to see this. A big flock of migrators that just locked wings. See what we can do here. Don't have a whole lot of shooting light left. Let's get in the situation. Let's hope this pans out. Man, I wanted them ducks to come in here. These geese want it. Just come in and land, dude. Not that hard. Come over. Ducking the decoys. Did have one teal come in, landed, then took back off. Otherwise we'd probably shoot him right about now. Hopefully these maybe will swing around on us one more time here and give it up. That's why I don't like geese. They just do stupid stuff like this. Fly around forever and ever and ever. Let's turn this way, lock your wings up, lay down. I don't think that's that hard to do. Well, that's shooting light. We're gonna run around here, pick up some decoys. We did shoot one mallard. I want to say he's a very pretty mallard, but give him a good check here. Maybe a really old mallard. I don't know, that beak's looking weird. Whole mallard kind of looks weird. But nonetheless, nice mallard. We'll be pretty happy with that. We did miss a teal, and then was working some geese, and had another teal come right in. Shooting light's up though, and that means one thing: the birds are going to start showing up, which is really unfortunate. But you know, just how it is. So we're gonna try to get out of here pretty quick and see what can happen. I got a very dreadful hike with this boat back that I'm not looking forward to whatsoever. But we got out. We got gotta say there's quite a few new birds showing up. I wouldn't say they're here where I hunted tonight. This is just a place close to home that I've looked at hunting. We used to hunt a little ways over there. There's another pond, but hunted that a time or two back in high school. And I've always kind of looked at this spot and never really had a good setup to get out here. It's one of those things that we're really happy I bought this little boat. Got a sweet deal on it. Just haven't had time to really build it out, or the ambition more so. We cherish every day we get out. We've got some pretty big plans for this weekend, some really high hopes. We'll kind of see what comes of that.